So this problem you guys are going to work on your own is going to be written as this. A of 1 equals 3. I guess I should say on your own. So A of 1 equals 3, and then A of n is equivalent to A of n minus 1 minus 7. So you need to find the first 6 terms. So we're looking at A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, A of 5, and A of 6. Now, A of 1 is 3. We know that. Now you guys need to use this rule going off of prior terms in order to find the next 5 terms after the first one. So, use that example I gave you last time to get through it. Go ahead, pause, and then come back for the answers. Pause it now. Okay, here are your first 6 terms. Hopefully you see the pattern. From 3 to negative 10, it's subtract 7. Let's subtract 7, subtract 7, subtract 7, subtract 7. That's our common difference, and that's where we get it in the equation. All right, if you got it, good work. If you haven't, make sure that you go back and see where you went wrong, because we're going to move on.